Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. For today, I'll be doing oven roast pork and oven roast chicken with gungo, peas and rice, steamed vegetables, and fried plantain. Here I have 2 pounds of pork that I've went ahead and cleaned up as well wash. I have a chicken that I've sliced in two. So I'm just gonna apply the soy sauce to it right now. I love my soy sauce. As you can see, I did already went ahead and add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning along with some Grace Jamaican jerk seasoning. Check this out, guys. This is what it's supposed to look like when you rub up this seasoning with the meat. Look at this texture. Nice, rich. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for overnight to let it marinate. Here it is, guys, ready to go in the oven. Yes, and my pork is in the pressure. Just gonna add some water to it. Here are some gungo peas that I've washed and about to put on the fire. Gungo peas cooked and ready. Here I have one native coconut that I'm gonna burst open, ox it out, cut it up, wash it, then I'll just blend it to get the milk from it. Here is a finished product, and this is when I extract the trash from the juice. Milky. Here I'm gonna add the milk to the peas to let it boil for at least 25 minutes. I'll add my scallion and thyme and pepper and a pinch of salt for taste. And then I'll just add my rice and have it on a low flame. Not too high because you don't want to burn the rice. So you want to. Here it is, my finished product. This is what it looks like when it's cooked. My gungo rice and peas with jerked pork and jerked chicken. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Last but not least, I'm gonna do some steamed veg. I love my vegetables and some fried plantains. I love fried plantains.